Are you tired wanting to install DWM? All of these people on the internet look so cool when they show off their DWM races. So like, oh, I want to install this, I want to try this. So you try to clone the repository, you try to compile the program, and the compiler says something like, actually, you're not gonna install this because the header file x11/xft.h is missing. And then after searching on the internet for 10 minutes, you find out how to install it, and then it's like, no, still not, because this other thing is missing, and then goes like this forever, and you can't install it. We're gonna fix it in this video. This used to be my problem, okay? Most of these window managers were so easy to install. You install them via a package manager and then you configure them in .config, window manager name, some file. Simple, right? With DWM it's completely different. Because yes, you can install it via package manager, but that doesn't make any sense. You have to edit the source code. If you install a binary, you can't edit the window manager in any way. And so I tried it. I watched like 10 different tutorials. I went here, I tried compiling it, it didn't work. Then after some very long time in some virtual machine, I finally got it. And then I went back to my host machine and it didn't work again. Now all of these problems are gone because I understand all of the problems that were in here that stopped me from installing it. So here I have a new fresh Arch Linux installed. I can run NeoFetch, and let's say we want DWM. So you'll probably do something like git clone https git success org DWM, right? You try sudo make clean install and it doesn't work. So what's this? You gotta find the name of the package that you need. So in this example we need x11/xlib.h. First thing you need to do though is sudo pacman-s xorg. On your distribution it's probably also gonna be called xorg, so you just install it. So after that, let's try sudo make clean install. Now on Arch Linux we got kind of luck, because you can just install xorg and that's it. Let's look into dwm.c, okay? Here you got all of this. This is what the line is gonna show you that's missing. So for example on Debian you're gonna have to install this, okay? So it's just it's just x11xft.h. So try searching xft and it's usually gonna be lib this. Just libxft xinerama.h, that's the file.h. It will be libxinerama, something like that, right? You get a pattern. That's with apt on Debian, and it's gonna be something very similar on other package managers. Or you just use Arch Linux, you install one package and you have everything, because Arch Linux is best distribution. But now how do you run this? If you got some simple display manager, I'm not gonna do this in this video, but if you got something like Arch Linux, I'm gonna create this for Arch Linux. You're gonna have to figure out yourself how to install startx command, but the rest is gonna be the same. So on Arch Linux specific, you install the xorg-xinit package. After that you do sudo copy etc x11 xinit into home/.xinitrc. Now you can change the owner of the file to be you, and now you can just nvim xinitrc. Calm down, take this last part out, so these last 5 lines, and instead type exec dwm. Close out of this and just do startx, and we get DWM. But there's one problem, we haven't installed any terminal, so we can't do anything yet. I'm gonna install st because it's from the same people as DWM. It's the default terminal for DWM. It's gonna be the simplest. Okay, install st2. But now, there's another part of this video, and it's how to actually configure DWM. You just come to this website. In this left part, you choose your patch, you click on some random file, you download it into the DWM folder, mypatch.diff. You save it. Close Firefox. cd dwm. You now run patch-i mypatch.diff. Then you run sudo make clean install. You found out that it doesn't work because you get an error and you throw your computer out of the window.